So I don't use the Bucktool slow speed bench grinder very often, but I am today. I got in a few knives and I thought I would use the Bucktool with the new KFMK angle guide. I think it's a great angle guide for these 1x30 systems. I think it'll work on the Bucktool. It'll also work on the Harbor Freight 1x30. So anyway, here we go. Now, I'm not as fast as some of these other guys who are doing this, but anyway, I'm going to use a polishing wheel. This is a polyurethane polishing wheel, and I'm going to put a little bit of compound on this to polish the edges on these knives. All right, I normally don't test on paper, but everybody always asks, oh, show us how sharp the knife is. Anyway, let's give it a shot here. How's that? That sharp enough for you? You know? Everything's wet here in Texas. There we go. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care.